The primary muscles worked during the dumbbell pullover on Swiss ball are the lats and chest, with secondary involvement from the triceps. Due to the reduced stability created by the Swiss ball, more core engagement is required to stabilize your body, resulting in the need to use lighter weights compared to when performing this exercise on a bench. Here's how to do it correctly. Sit on a Swiss ball with your feet flat on the ground. Engage your core muscles to stabilize your body on the Swiss ball. Pick up a single dumbbell and hold it with both hands, gripping it firmly with an overhand grip. Walk your feet forward as you position your back against the Swiss ball. Hold the dumbbell vertically with your hands underneath the top weight plate, then raise it above your chest with your arms extended straight up toward the ceiling. Inhale, then slowly lower the dumbbell backward in a controlled motion, keeping your arms straight with a slight bend in your elbows as you lower the dumbbell toward the floor behind your head to feel a comfortable stretch in your chest and lats. Exhale and engage your chest and lats to bring the dumbbell back to the starting position using a smooth, controlled motion to lift the weight. Focus on squeezing your chest muscles at the top of the movement. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.